Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll dive straight into how to use Notion to organize your daily reading in the most efficient way possible. The first step is to create a new page in Notion. Simply click on the plus button and select Page. This will serve as your reading dashboard where you'll add and manage all your reading materials. Having a dedicated reading dashboard helps you to centralize all your materials in one place and makes it easier to manage. Next up, let's add a reading list. Click on Add a Block, select Table, and then Inline. Name this table Reading List. Here, you can add columns for the book title, author, start date, and status. This helps us because it gives us a quick overview of what we're reading, when we started, and how far we've progressed. Now that we've done that, let's embellish this table with additional details. You can add cover images for the books and even links to where you can purchase or read them online. The reason we do this is to make the reading list visually appealing and convenient, as you can access the books directly from your Notion page. The next step is to create reading notes. For each book on your list, create a new page. This will be where you jot down key takeaways, summaries, quotes, and any other notes from the book. This is important because it helps you to better internalize and recall what you've read, thereby enhancing your learning process. Finally, you can add a reading progress tracker. This can be a simple progress bar that you update as you progress through the book. This not only keeps you motivated, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment as you see your progress visually. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up a comprehensive reading management system on Notion. Remember that the key is consistency, so try to update your reading list and notes regularly. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide will help you better manage your reading habits using Notion.